Griffith Real Estate would like to take this opportunity to introduce some new measures that we've put in place in relation to COVID-19. It's mostly business as usual, but in this particular instance we're going to talk about repairs and maintenance. So please be advised, repairs and maintenance is to continue on as normal. If you do have an issue, please report it. We'll still be attending to those jobs as they come in. Nothing's changed in relation to the procedure. They still need to be put in writing, although with the social distancing we'd like to remind that email would be preferred. If of course this isn't possible, just let us know. We can work out an alternative measure under the circumstances. Of course there are exceptions for urgent repairs as well, so if you do have anything urgent you can call us directly and we'll attend to those items as soon as possible. There will be some further procedures put in place if we do see some further disruption and further lockdown increase, but at this point business is as usual, tradespeople are attending to the jobs. Definitely watch this space though, as we'll update you as the situation changes. Just a reminder as well, during these challenging times of toilet paper shortage, just a reminder for tenants to not flush anything but toilet paper down the toilet. It can cause havoc with sewerage and other items, and if a blockage is to occur, there may potentially be some delays and potentially some costs involved as well. So again, just a reminder, toilet paper is fine, but please don't flush anything else down. Thank you and all the best for Griffith Real Estate.